Hi everyone, welcome back to the US CPA classes for financial accounting and reporting. In this video, we'll be discussing in detail about international accounting standard setting process for business entity, which include the International Accounting Standard Board and their operation. So let's dive into to understand more in detail about IASB.
So same way for US GAAP, we have FASB. So for IFRS, it is IASB. International Accounting Standard Board is an international organization to develop international financial reporting standard. IASB an independent, not-for-profit organization, private sector organization, right? Its principal objective are to develop the single set of high quality, understandable, enforceable, and globally acceptable international financial reporting standard to bridge the gap between national and international accounting standards. So that's the whole objective of bringing IFRS into picture as we are going more and more global, right? So investor is also now more and more global, right? So they want like the picture to be apple to apple comparison, not apple to orange comparison. For example, if you are an investor like Blackstone, right? Do you know like the have you heard of this company Blackstone?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
What is what they do?
Sir, ये investment
इन्वेस्टमेंट बैंक है सर, मेरे को जो पता है तो वही है बेसिकली।
broker वगैरह ऐसा कुछ
तो वो
ना।
दूसरी ज्योग्राफीज में भी इन्वेस्ट करते होंगे ना, यूएस में भी इन्वेस्ट करते हैं, यूके में भी इन्वेस्ट करते हैं, जापान में भी इन्वेस्ट करते हैं। तो
ग्लोबल
उनको एक सेट ऑफ अकाउंटिंग स्टैंडर्ड्स चाहिए ना कि दोनों फाइनेंशियल्स को मैं कंपेयर कर पाऊं।
So you know like Blackstone hold more than 25% share in all the big MNCs.
माय गॉड, नाइस, काफी
Yeah.
बड़ी वो हो गई लेवल पे।
Yeah, whether it's Amazon, whether it's Google, whether it's Tesla,
ओके,
whether it's HP, whether it's Lenovo, whether it's Dell, you see any company, the major investor is Blackstone.
माय गॉड,
तो बट आई गेस सऊदी आरामको में तो नहीं है ना?
Huh? Say that again.
सऊदी आरामको सुना होगा आपने वो भी।
Yeah, they are also big, undoubtedly. But if you see in
उसमें
terms of valuation, Blackstone has the highest valuation as an investor, right? So for them now, imagine like company like a Blackstone, they have investment in Google, Facebook, Amazon, Trimble, Forescout, Palo Alto Network, Intel, HP, Facebook, almost every year, Tesla, right? And these all are like global organizations, right? How will they compare apple to apple? What they are investing in India, what they're investing in US, what they're investing in Japan. So they need something, you know, like in sync. That's how the concept of this IFRS came, right? Any concept which came on the earth is on account of business need, right? That's the whole objective we need to understand. You know, like nothing comes just Emmy. It come with the purpose because you know it required huge investment as well as you know changing the mindset of the people, and you know like you're changing the world. Can you imagine what IFRS is doing? They are changing the financial
यस सर,
statement of any and every organization on the earth. Why would they do it? Have you ever thought of?
हार्मनी
सर
सर
वो
बेसिकली ग्लोबलाइजेशन ही हो गई, हार्मनी लानी है सारी कंपनीज में, दे शुड बी ऑन द सेम पेज। सो ग्लोबल इन्वेस्टमेंट्स आर मेड इजी, तो एक्चुअली अक्रॉस द बाउंड्रीज जो इन्वेस्टमेंट्स ले जाना चाह रहे हैं, विच इज द ड्राइव फॉर एवरी इकोनॉमी नाउ टू ग्रो बिगर, वो पर्पस फुलफिल हो पा रहा है।
So who is the driver of this IS?
सर वही हो
Company
गया,
like Blackstone.
ब्लैकस्टोन है, करेक्ट।
Yeah. Right. Company like Blackstone, because it's a need for them. So they have created an NGO and they are doing investment and they are making all the public do right, left, center, everything, but come on the same page.
यस
It's a big game, right?
तो
Okay.
बट बेसिकली सर ये जो ब्लैकस्टोन है, तो ये एक तरह से इन्वेस्टमेंट बैंक ही हो गया ना, विच इज इन्वेस्टिंग इनटू कंपनीज,
Yes.
राइट? वही चीज। और
That's
इसकी
an
खुद की जो फाइनेंशियल्स होंगी ब्लैकस्टोन की, वो कितनी कंट्रीज के हिसाब से बन रही है, एंड उसको भी सेम पेज पे लाया जा रहा है कंसोलिडेटेड स्टेटमेंट में। तो वही है कि वो खुद ही एक सबसे बड़ा एग्जांपल हो गया ये पोर्ट्रे करने के लिए कि हाउ कैन financials from across the globe be merged into one.
Yes, absolutely right.
Yes, sir.
Right. So yeah, so the gap, the key difference between GAAP and IFRS is GAAP is rule based. So if you remember, like all the earlier accounting standard, whether it's like Indian accounting standard or US GAAP, they always be rule based, but IFRS is more of principle based. And another thing, like Shivam, to answer your question, if you remember, I told you like SEC allow foreign company that trade their share in US market to file their IFRS financial statement without reconciliation with GAAP.
Yes,
Right,
yes,
this is
yes.
what I said earlier. So SEC allow foreign company whose share are being traded in their stock exchange can file their financial statement in IFRS even without the reconciliation. That is
Okay.
why the need of IASB has arisen.
तो मतलब जैसे इन्फोसिस यूएस में लिस्टेड है तो इन्फोसिस के फाइनेंशियल एज पर आईएफआरएस बनेंगे लेकिन गैप की जरूरत नहीं है ना
Yes,
रिकंसिलिएशन
like same way HUL also. HUL is a
Exactly.
Europe-based company. They have big business in US, and if they are doing trading in US, so they can file in IFRS. It's not required to make a financial statement in US GAAP. Or maybe like just like for in India, have you heard the company Motherson Sumi?
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Right,
नाम
Motherson
सुना है
Sumi is Indian-based MNC, and they have 25 entities in US, and they all are subsidiary of India. And they make their financial statement in IFRS and submit over there.
तो मेरा एक क्वेश्चन है कि जैसे इंडिया के अंदर हम मैक्सिमम देखते हैं कि बाहर की कंपनीज है, उनकी सब्सिडीज है, जिसमें ऑल दिस कॉर्पोरेट पीपल आर वर्किंग। तो ऐसा कितना परसेंटेज मार्केट शेयर का होगा जो कि इंडियन कंपनीज में, जैसे मदरसनी आप बोल रहे हो कि उसकी 15 सब्सिडीज है यूएस में,
Very
तो क्या
few.
और कंट्रीज? वेरी
Very
फ्यू ना?
few. Like JSW is one of the good example. Motherson Sumi is classic example. Classic. To be very
सर ऐसे तो
honest.
टीसीएस का भी ले सकते हैं।
TCS है, Reliance है, Tata है. So there are, but you know, like why these US company are dominating? Why their economic is $24 trillion? There's a reason to it. You know, like there's a reason to it. Okay, so maybe we can take a break over here, or maybe we can close the class over here. So tomorrow we'll discuss this underlying principle, and then we'll discuss about we'll do few questions, and then we jump onto this next topic, which is general purpose financial statement for profit organization. Because these are, you know, most of the things you already know. Where we need to invest more time might be on consolidated financial statement. That is something you might not be exposed to. Right. So tomorrow we'll take a target to finish till here.
done, sir.
Right.
डन सर
Cool. Okay. Enjoy rest of your Saturday. Catch you tomorrow around 10 o'clock. So tomorrow we'll start at 10 o'clock.
Okay, sir.
ओके
ओके सर।
ओके सर